Deepika Juraman. With me, I am Surtika Vijayathiran. We are from SJKT Chittiar's Ipoh Perak, Malaysia. Today, we are going to present about our prototype, Autonomous Temperature and Humidity Detector Robot. Indoor thermal environment is a very important part of thermal environmental quality component that closely influenced by the climatic conditions. Indoor thermal environment in classroom and school buildings at various microclimate differs in Malaysia. Human activities such as burning fossil fuels, agriculture activity and deforestation has contributed to the effects of global warming that increases environment's temperature. Thus, the increase in greenhouse gases has increased nearly 90% of the atmospheric heat. The high temperature and humidity can cause thermal discomfort for students in classroom and schools. Oh no! So much on feet. I'm sure you will not feel comfortable with that. So avoid burning rubbishes that emits greenhouse gases that increases environment and indoor temperature. Furthermore, the temperature and humidity affects the indoor environment.
I agree, because low temperature increases the risk of cardiovascular and respiratory disease. Furthermore, low temperature can cause virus to spread and result in affecting occupants' health. On the other side, high indoor temperature increases the risk of acute non-specific symptoms such as dry eyes, dizziness, and shortness of breath. Good indoor environment contributes to better cognitive and work performance. Furthermore, to achieve high cognitive, good work performance and comfort, the temperature must be between 22 to 24 degrees Celsius and the humidity should be between 30 to 50%.
You are correct, but most industries in Malaysia have started to use sensors that can detect temperature and humidity according to standard requirements.
What? Only for industries and companies? How about students, teachers and staff at school? Who will alert us about the optimal level of humidity and temperature?
Yes, and high temperature and humidity or lower temperature and humidity can reduce students' performance and learning efficiency. So, we need to maintain our indoor temperature and humidity. No one is seriously looking for solutions to overcome this issue.
Yes, I agree. So, as innovators to identify and overcome this problem, an autonomous temperature and humidity robot was built using Arduino technology. The robot system was developed to collect temperature and humidity in a much humid environment. The data collected in the Arduino sheet, called as data logger. The data collected can alert the school and higher authorities to be aware indoor temperature and also humidity.
Aim of this research is to develop an innovative prototype called Autonomous Temperature and Humidity Detector Robot using Arduino technology for schools in Malaysia. Furthermore, to achieve this aim, our objective was to identify appropriate materials and cost, design the system, build prototype robot and test it.
Let me explain about the prototype. The robot prototype is integrated with the Arduino technology. What is Arduino technology? Arduino is an open source electronic platform based on easy application of hardware and software. The microcontroller board used in this project is called Arduino Uno and it's connected with DHT22 sensor. The Arduino microcontroller board will receive input from the sensor and save the data into Arduino sheet, data logger.
This innovative robot will start to operate without much human intervention because it uses IR sensor to detect distance.
We test the robot in our classroom and start to measure and collect temperature and humidity sensors.
Hi, my name is IRTS Surya Prakash Vijay Surya. I am a professional engineer and lecturer. I support the system Autonomous Temperature and Humidity Detector Robot. This system very much aligned to Industry 4.0 and also it supports the development of Industry 5.0 in Malaysia. By adopting this system, the whole classroom ecosystem can turn into an automated system, an autonomous system. Now, if you see a lot of systems being adopted, artificial intelligence, nanotechnology, robotic system, and more. Applying robotic system in a classroom environment not only solves the issue, but autonomously collects the data, sends to the authorities to take action immediately. Compared to the previous years, adopting cutting-edge system like this will probably bring Malaysia our nation moving forward towards a very much successful nation because everything is autonomous and also it reduces pollution and plus it aligns to the sustainable development goals. I support the system. I hope the system can develop further to bring more benefits to the classroom environment, solve students' issue and more. Thank you very much.
This robot provides a solution to identify an optimal level of temperature and humidity and alerts students in school and lodge complaint to high authorities. Furthermore, the school can observe the current status of indoor temperature and humidity, especially in classrooms. Thus, this research and utilization of our robot aligned to Industrial Revolution 4.0 is suggested to overcome this problem and to meet United Nations Sustainable Development Goal number 3, good health and well-being.
As a conclusion, our autonomous temperature and humidity detector robot was using Arduino technology. It's the latest device in Malaysia that has been designed to protect students, teachers and school employees from discomfort in the environment due to high or too low temperature and humidity. The development of this device requires a comprehensive knowledge of the field. Thus, we produce vast amount of autonomous temperature and humidity detector robot to cater schools' needs from all over Malaysia, including Sabah and Sarawak.
What is so special about this robot, the whole system?
Our novelty are this robot can be developed further using Arduino technology. It's cheap and affordable for every schools. It also protects young generation from harm indoor environment. But are not very fit, and we can bring this as major concern in our country and also internationally.
Now we will demonstrate our prototype. This is the IR sensor which takes distance. This is the DHC22 sensor to measure temperature and humidity. This is L293D motor driver shift which is attached to the Arduino Uno. This is the data logger where the information is stored. So let's make the robot move.